Okay, we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. Here, we want to find a common multiple here for the 3, 6, and 4. So let's go through the 3 time tables. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12. And for 6 time tables, we go 6, 12, 18, and 24. The 4 time tables, we have 4, 8, 12, and 16. Let's see if we have anything in common right now. Well, I see there's a 12 in common. So, okay. So for the 3 time tables, the multiplier is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's times 4, times 4. For the 6 time tables, 12, the multiplier is 2. So 1, 2, so it's times 2. And for, I circled the wrong one, should be 12. Okay, so for the multiplier for 4 to get to 12, it's 3. 1, 2, 3. So times 3 times 3. Okay, now let's write our new numbers here. So what we have is 2 times 4, 3 times 4, which is 8 and 12. Here we have 1 times 2 and 6 times 2, which is 2 and 12. And here we have 3 times 3 and 4 times 3, which is 9 and 12. Okay, so 8 added to 2 makes 10, and 10 take away 9, it's going to be 1. It gives me 1 over 12. That's it. Okay, let's take a look at here at these mixed numbers. We're going to use multiplication and then adding. So multiplication and adding, multiplication and adding, multiplication and adding. So first, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So this is going to be 7 over 2. Here, 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. It's 10 over 7. Okay, so now we have multiplication. We can multiply 7 times 10 and 2 times 7. Now I'm noticing here already that I can divide both of these by 7. I can divide both of these by 2. So keep in mind, we can divide by both 2 and 7. When you combine the 2 and the 7, it means that we can divide by actually 14 at the end. So again, remember, we can divide by 2 and 7. So 7 times 10 is 70, and 2 times 7 is 14. Okay. So now let's just go ahead and just divide by 2 and then by 7. Okay. So I'm going to divide by 7 first. So divide this by 7, divide by 7. And what I get is a 10 over 2. Then I can divide both of these by 2. And I will get a 5 over 1. Well, 5 over 1 equals 5. So it simplifies down to 5. Okay, once again, multiplication, we have 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So that's 7 over 2. There's my division. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. So that's 10 over 7. Now, with division, we do a keep, change, and flip. So this becomes 7 over 2, and this is multiplication. And we get now 7 over 10. Okay, so now we have 7 times 7 and 2 times 10. Okay, now there's nothing I can divide by from top to bottom, so there will be no simplifying after we get through multiplying. So 7 times 7 is 49. 2 times 10 is 20. And that is already simplified.